How to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you guys can enable cookies on Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser, that is your Google Chrome. After you do that, on the top right side, you'll find the three dots option. Tap on that. After you do that, you can then simply head over to settings, scroll down and you should find the settings option. Tap on settings. After you do that, there you will find on the left hand side a different bar. What you'll need to do is head over to privacy and security. After you're there, you should find multiple options. So you'll find third-party cookies. Tap on that. And from here, tap on allow third-party cookies. After you select the allow option, now your cookies have been enabled. You can head back if you don't find the option here. You can go to site controls. And from here, you can select third-party cookies. And simply select allow. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.